How to log into Affin Bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to login into Affin Bank account. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch a web browser. Navigate to web address bar at top of your screen and type in Affin Bank login. From the search page, click the first link of Affin always. This will take you to the official website of or the official page of Affin account. So click on the login icon at top right corner of your screen, and from this drop down menu you can easily choose any one of the options. Let's choose Affin Always Personal. Once done, you will land on the official login section of Affin. Here you need to enter your username. In case you forget the username, click on Forget Username. Then click on the login button. You have to enter the password and then easily log into Affin account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.